how to fix iPhone 12 Pro Max can't hear caller voice and recover and can't hear my voice. So let's get started. Firstly, start with restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off and turn it back on by pressing the side button again. Then simply go to the settings app on your mobile device and tap on the cellular or mobile data according to your iOS version. Then tap on the cellular data option available there. And once inside the cellular data option, you will get to see voice and data. Tap on it again. After you tap on it, make sure that your voice and data is on the latest 5G or 4G option available on your phone. After you do that, go back to the settings again. Now inside the settings, scroll down and look for the general option available there. And scroll down again and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone available in the bottom. Then tap on the reset and tap on reset network settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.